Hello and welcome to our demonstration. My name is Jacob Lias,
And I'm Colleen Peoples.
and today we're going to be talking about ArcGIS Online Partnered Collaboration. On our agenda today, we're going to give you an overview of the types of collaboration in ArcGIS Online. We're going to review key concepts of partnered collaboration, and we're also going to demonstrate the major workflows for partnered collaboration.
So to get started, there are two types of collaboration in ArcGIS Online, distributed and partnered. Released in 2017, distributed collaborations allow ArcGIS Online and ArcGIS Enterprise organizations to share and sync content in groups. In this type of collaboration, only one ArcGIS Online organization can be involved, and they are the host. Multiple ArcGIS Enterprise organizations can participate as guests. When content is shared to a group, each organization gets their own copy of the content and it is synced on scheduled intervals.
Partnered collaborations were introduced in April of 2021. It's important to make some distinctions between partnered collaborations and distributed collaborations. For example, partnered collaborations are established between two ArcGIS Online organizations, but you can participate in multiple partnered collaborations with different organizations. Also, partnered collaborations don't have a guest-host relationship. It's more of a peer-to-peer relationship. In addition to that, in a partnered collaboration, the organizations own their own content. There isn't any replication or syncing of data that occurs.
So if we dive into how organizations work together in groups, you can see here that partnered collaborations light up some additional functionality for working with members outside of your organization. First off, you can add members to a group without an invite in a partnered collaboration. You can also promote specific members from the partnered organization to be a group manager in your organization. Third, you can filter for group members by organization name, either on the main groups page or within a group's member list. And one of the biggest features that partnered collaboration enables is to allow members from partnered organizations to participate in shared update groups.
It's important to note that these top 2 points are facilitated through a collaboration coordinator. Organization administrators specify who will be the collaboration coordinators for their organization. You can think of collaboration coordinators as the point people to represent the organization across all partnered collaborations. In a collaborating organizations group, collaboration coordinators are the easiest people to find. They can be directly added to the group, and they can be promoted to group managers. The key takeaway from this last point is that you as an administrator can delegate the responsibility of inviting members from other organizations to groups owned by your organization.
So now that you have an overview of all the major concepts about partnered collaboration, we'll show you the end-to-end workflow for how to get this set up in your organization. An overview of our demo will be starting with setting up a collaboration. Then we will create a new group to collaborate in. We'll add members from a collaborating org into that new group. We'll add content to the group. And finally, we'll show you how to end a collaboration.
So in this demonstration, we'll be showing the City of Montaña Seca and the Wildfire Command Corps setting up a partner collaboration. The reason that we're going to set up this partner collaboration is that there's a wildfire threatening the city, and the Wildfire Command Corps needs a data set of building footprints for the city. That way they can assess which structures will need the most immediate assistance to better provision resources accordingly. We have already set up terms and conditions of how we'll be sharing data in this partner collaboration, and we encourage you to do the same. So now let's move forward with starting a partner collaboration. So here we are at the home page of City of Montaña Seca. I'm signed in as the administrator of this organization, and the first thing I'm going to have to do in order to initiate a partnered collaboration is go to the organization page. Once here, we'll go into the organization settings. On the left-hand side, we can scroll down and see the collaborations. Listed here are the two different types that we discussed earlier, partner collaborations and distributed collaborations. Again, for these purposes, we're going to use a partner collaboration. So the first thing we have to do is click Start a Collaboration. In order to initiate a partner collaboration, you need the homepage URL for the other organization. I'll go ahead and copy and paste the homepage URL for the Wildfire Command Corps. You'll see here that it pops up. So we'll choose that, and then the next setting is to allow this organization to search for members from the city of Montaña Seca. And what that's doing is it's actually granting access for the Wildfire Command Corps to search for members in this organization. I can also customize the message that gets sent to the administrator of the Wildfire Command Corps. It's also important to note that we are setting up a partner collaboration between one organization, but you can send multiple invitations with a CSV file. And again, you'll need all of the homepage organization URLs, and then you'll also have to make sure that you specify member search in those CSV files as well. So let's go ahead and click Start Collaboration. And now we can see that the collaboration request has been sent. And the next thing that we have to do is set up collaboration coordinators. Again, these are the members that represent your organization across all partner collaborations. So we'll click Set up Collaboration Coordinators. I'm going to set up myself and another user in the organization as collaboration coordinators. At this point, you can also review collaboration requests. If you've sent one, you can revoke it here. Now we're going to move over to the Wildfire Command Corps.
Thanks, Jake. As the admin of the Wildfire Command Corps, I received an email inviting our organization to a partnered collaboration with the city of Montaña Seca. I'll show you how I can accept that invitation. I will go to the same place that Jake went to start the collaboration, organization page. And I'll also click on the Settings tab. Now that I'm on the Settings page, I will search for collaborations, select Partnered, and then it'll take me exactly where I need to be in Settings. I can see here that I have one pending collaboration request. When I click on it, then I see that I have a received request from the city of Montaña Seca. I can go ahead and accept and configure, and if I wasn't sure about this, I can also decline the request. But I was expecting this request, so I will hit accept. I do also have the decision to either grant or not grant access to search for my organization's members. Because I see that the city of Montaña Seca has granted access to search for their members, I will also do the same. I too have to set up collaboration coordinators now, so I will go ahead and do that. And I can see here that I have 3 people in my organization that I can designate as collaboration coordinators. I'll select myself and Shirley. Now, I also know that I have another member of my organization that I'd like to make a collaboration coordinator, but they weren't listed there because their role is not an administrator or facilitator. So I can go ahead and change that right now. On the Members tab, I can see that a few folks now have eyes next to their role. Shirley, who I've made a collaboration coordinator, notes that she can only have a administrator or facilitator role as a collaboration coordinator. So I'm going to go ahead and search for the additional person that I'd like to make a collaboration coordinator, and that's Rachel. You can see that the role is publisher. I'll go ahead and change that to facilitator. So now that they are facilitator, I can go back into settings. Search for partnered collaborations. Check my list of collaboration coordinators. And now I see Rachel listed, and I will also designate her as a collaboration coordinator. So now that I have collaboration coordinator set up, let's take a closer look at the details I can see for the collaboration with the City of Montaña Seca. At a glance, I can see that they have 2 collaboration coordinators designated on their side. If I click on this, it'll list the exact names of their collaboration coordinators. I can also click on the dots here to look at the details about this collaboration. I can see the start date. I could see that the member visibility setting was set to be turned on. And I can get more details about their collaboration coordinators. What I'm most interested in doing right now is starting a new group for us to collaborate in. So I can go ahead and click on this button here to create a new group. So I get the new group modal that pops up. I know I want to call this group MS Fire Collaboration. I'll skip the summary tags and image for now so I can show you the details that I can configure for this group. Now right away, because I started from the partner collaboration area, the setting for who can be in this group is set to partner collaboration and my organization's members only. If I envisioned that we might include other people from different organizations, I might change the setting to be any organization's members. I'll keep the how people can join this group to be by invitation. For the setting for who can be in this, who can view this group, I'll choose all organizations members. That will mean that my organization's members and the members of City of Montaña Seca can see this group. I would like to make this group a little bit more restrictive to only allow group owners and managers to contribute content. And I will keep it to be anyone who can view this group can see the full list of members on the group's members tab. I also have a few more choices here. Like we mentioned in the demo, I could make this a shared update group because this is set to be partnered collaboration and my organization members only. But I can't make this an administrative group. This setting is only available to my organization's members. So now that I have all the settings set up the way I'd like, I'm going to go ahead and click Save. Oh, I must enter tax. Couldn't skip that. Now I'll hit Save. And now we're in the new MS Fire collaboration group. Useful tag here called Partnered. That's just letting me know that only members from my organization and partnered organizations can be in this group. So the next step is to include members from the City of Montaña Seca in this group. So I'll go ahead and click Invite Users. And I get another reminder here in the Invite Users dialog that only partnered collaboration and my organization's members can be in this group. To add the members from the City of Montaña Seca, I need to toggle this, include this and partnered organizations members toggle on. And you can see that right away, I see the two collaboration coordinators from the City of Montaña Seca. I will go ahead and add both of these people into the group. And because they are collaboration coordinators, I can add them directly without requiring confirmation, which skips the step of them having to accept an invitation. Now that those two people are added, I can go to the group's members tab, and I can see that I am in the group and the two collaboration coordinators from the City of Montaña Seca are in the group. Now, to really take advantage of delegating the responsibility of these collaboration coordinators, including the right people from their organization in this group, I need to promote them to be group managers. So I'll go ahead and select them, update their role. You can see that they're members now. I will make them both managers. And hit save. And so next, Jake will show you how they can go ahead and add people from their side into the group.
Thanks, Colleen. So now back in the organization settings for Montaña Seca, again, we can see now that we have an existing collaboration with the Wildfire Command Corps. In the same way, I'm able to see the collaboration coordinators that are involved, and I can check the details as well. We have the start date, member visibility. I also have a notification at the top that I was added to the MS Fire Collaboration group. So I'll click that. And at this point, you can see that this group is owned by Chief WFCC, and that was Colleen. Again, I also see the partnered badge here that lets us know that this group allows members from partnered collaborations and your organizations only. Let's look at the members tab too. Because I'm a group manager in this group, I can also see the organization affiliation. And this particular column is only shown when a partnered collaboration is established. Or rather, you can only see which organization people are affiliated with when that partnered collaboration is established. Without the collaboration, these would just say other. Okay, so let's invite a user from this organization, the Montaña Seca, to a group that's owned by the Wildfire Command Corps. Let's see, I'm going to add Boris and Eric. And again, as a group manager, I'm able to directly add these users from my organization to this group. And there we go. In addition to that, so we do have a fire going on, and the Wildfire Command Corps needs a data set of the building footprints for the city of Montaña Seca. I just so happen to have that exact data, so I'm going to go ahead and go to the Content tab and then Add Items to this group. Here's my footprints web map, and here's the feature layer that's in that web map. So now you can see that in this group that's owned by another organization, I'm able to directly add my content. So now that I've shared the footprint data to this group, I'm going to switch it back over to Colleen so that she can share the wildfire data to this same group, and that will allow us to move forward with our collaboration.
Thanks, Jake. So I'm actually the owner of the wildfire map and feature service that I needs to be shared to the new MS Fire Collaboration group. So I'm already in my content, and you can see the two items that I'd like to share. Go ahead and select those and hit share here. I will change the share level to my organization, and I can go ahead and edit group sharing. And I can see here the MS Fire Collaboration group. If I wasn't sure, I could also see that this group allows members from partner collaboration and my organization members. So select this group, hit OK, and then I'll hit save. And to just be really sure that these items were added to the group, I will go to the group. Go ahead and select it. Select content. And now I can see that all 4 items that are needed for us to start working together are in the shared group.
Now that we've showed you the process of setting up a partner collaboration, establishing who will be collaboration coordinators for your organization, creating groups to facilitate partner collaboration, and inviting members and content to those groups, we're going to imagine now that the fires are over. It's like 3 months ahead, everything's contained, we're all good. And I've reached out to Colleen and we have mutually agreed to end this partnered collaboration. So to show you how to start the end process, again, we're going to go into our organization settings, scroll down to collaborations, and we're going to hit this here and click on end collaboration. Now we recommend that you review everything before you end the collaboration. If things have to be ended really quickly, no questions asked, you can use this option here, but we're going to step you through the process of reviewing and then ending the collaboration. So we'll click next. Now at this point, it's going to show you the groups that permit partnered collaboration members only and have members and content from the Wildfire Command Core that are in it. And if we click this, this will open up a new tab that shows this group. And if I wanted to, I could change the organization membership setting from partnered to any. And then if I were to end the collaboration, the members and content from the Wildfire Command Core would stay in this group. But I think it's important to highlight in this main groups page all the different filters that have been added as a result of this partner collaboration work. For example, we can see the group membership setting is preset to partnered organizations, and that's reflected in this badge as well. We also have the current members are from filter, and it's pre-selected to the Wildfire Command Core organization that we currently have a partner collaboration with. Going back to ending this collaboration, I don't necessarily need to change the organization membership setting for this group, so I'm going to go ahead and click next. In this step, it's going to show us the groups that permit any organization's members in this organization. There are members and content from the Wildfire Command Core that are in this particular group, and after this partner collaboration ends, they're going to remain in this group. I'm okay with that, so I'm going to go ahead and click next. And then this is just a little snippet that reminds you to check with your collaboration coordinators about your organization's participation in groups that are owned by the Wildfire Command Core group. Again, you can reach out offline to the other organization's administrators and facilitators about this, but again, this is just a reminder. So we'll click next. And again, outside of this, I've already spoken to Colleen and we have agreed that this collaboration can end. We're all done fighting the fire in the city of Montaña Seca. So I'm going to click this and click on End Collaboration. And you'll see now that the interface has changed to show that we have an ended collaboration. And this allows us to see the details of that collaboration. Again, you can see the start date, the end date. You can see the groups in your organization with members from that particular organization. Again, this is the group that allows anybody to join. So after reviewing all these details with this ended collaboration, I'm just going to clear everything out and permanently end this collaboration. So again, you'll be prompted to make sure that you want to end this collaboration permanently, because this is going to remove all the filters for anything that's related to the organization that you were collaborating with. Since I've confirmed this with Colleen and we're both sure that we want to permanently remove this collaboration, go ahead and move forward. And now the collaboration has been permanently removed.
And that concludes our demo. We hope you found this useful. Before we move into Q&A, we wanted to let you know that we have a survey for the session below the video window. If you could, take a few moments to fill it out. We'd greatly appreciate it. Your feedback will help us improve future tech sessions. And with that, we're ready to answer your questions. I would like to note that our colleague Sentha will be joining us for Q&A.